friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking baby carrots in the Instant Pot. So what we need is baby carrots, 1 cup of water for pressure cooking, and for seasoning I will use honey and cinnamon. So let's open the package of baby carrots. And the great thing is you don't need to cut them or wash them, it's ready to go. So let's open the Instant Pot, add 1 cup of water to the Instant Pot, and then add a package of baby carrots. And now let's close the lid of the Instant Pot. Turn the valve to a sealing position. Press the pressure cook button and set the time to 4 minutes on high pressure. Now the Instant Pot is done cooking, so let's quick release the steam. Now the steam has been fully released and the pin has dropped, so let's open the lid of the Instant Pot. And here are perfectly cooked baby carrots. Now let's remove them from the Instant Pot into a serving dish. These carrots are very tender, they're perfect. So easy to cook in the Instant Pot. And now let's season our carrots. I'm going to use cinnamon and honey. So just sprinkle them with cinnamon. And squeeze honey over them. These carrots are so delicious. Cinnamon honey carrots, so tasty. Now let's try a carrot. See how tender they are? I could just slice them so easily. Tastes amazing. Perfectly cooked, tender and delicious. For a free printable recipe and other easy Instant Pot recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.